The NFL world just got flipped upside down, and Raiders Nation, you might want to sit down for this one because what just happened could completely change the future of this franchise overnight. This isn't just another trade rumor, this isn't a small roster tweak, this is a massive, aggressive, all-in move that signals one thing loud and clear: the Las Vegas Raiders are done waiting. They're done rebuilding. They are coming for dominance, and they just made that message impossible to ignore. So here's what we're looking at right now in a stunning sequence of moves that caught fans and analysts off guard. The Raiders have reportedly landed not one, not two, but 3 elite playmakers. Yes, you heard that right. 3. And we're not talking about average starters or depth pieces, we're talking about game changers. The kind of players who can take over a game in a single drive, the kind of players defensive coordinators lose sleep over, the kind of players that instantly elevate an entire offense the moment they step onto the field. And when you step back and really look at what this means, it becomes clear very quickly: this offense, as it stands right now, has the potential to become one of the most explosive units in the entire league. Imagine this for a second: a quarterback who now has multiple elite options at his disposal. No more forcing throws into tight coverage, no more predictable play calling, no more defenses stacking the box because they're not afraid of the passing game. Everything changes when you add weapons, and the Raiders didn't just add weapons, they built an arsenal. One of the biggest problems the Raiders have faced in recent seasons has been inconsistency on offense. Flashes of brilliance followed by long stretches of stagnation. Drives that start with promise but end in frustration. But what these new additions bring is not just talent, they bring reliability, versatility, and most importantly, fear. Defenses now have to account for multiple threats on every single snap. You double one guy? The other burns you. You play deep coverage? They hit you underneath. You stack the middle? They stretch the field. There is no easy answer anymore. And that's exactly how elite offenses are built, not around one superstar, but around layers of danger. And let's talk about the mentality behind this move, because that might be the most important part of all. This is not a front office playing it safe. This is not a team thinking about maybe next year. This is a statement. This is a declaration that the Raiders believe they can compete right now. Not in 2 seasons. Not after another rebuild. Right now. And when a team makes a move like this, it sends a message not just to their fans, but to the entire league. It tells every opponent on their schedule that this is no longer the same Raiders team you faced last season. This is faster, stronger, smarter, more dangerous. Now let's break down what adding 3 elite playmakers really does to an offense beyond just stats and highlights. First, it completely changes the way defenses prepare. Game planning becomes a nightmare. Instead of focusing on shutting down one key player, defensive coordinators are forced to spread their resources thin. And when that happens, mistakes start to happen. Blown coverages, missed assignments, hesitation. And in the NFL, hesitation is all it takes for a big play to happen. Second, it boosts the confidence of everyone on that side of the ball. When players know they're surrounded by elite talent, they play faster. They take more risks. They trust the system. And that confidence becomes contagious. Suddenly, offensive linemen are blocking harder because they know a big play is always possible. The quarterback is making quicker reads because he trusts his receivers. Everything starts to click. And third, and this might be the most underrated factor, it changes the identity of the team. The Raiders are no longer a team trying to find themselves. They are becoming a team that imposes their will. A team that dictates the pace of the game. A team that forces opponents to react instead of attack. And let's not ignore what this means for the fans, because Raiders Nation has been waiting for a moment like this. A moment where hope turns into belief. Where potential turns into reality. And you can already feel the energy building. Social media is exploding. Analysts are scrambling to reassess their rankings. And fans are starting to dream again. But of course, with every massive move comes questions. How quickly will these players gel? Can the coaching staff maximize this level of talent? Will the offensive line hold up long enough to let these playmakers shine? These are all valid concerns, and they will ultimately determine just how far this team can go. However, one thing is certain: the ceiling of this offense just skyrocketed. And if everything clicks, if the chemistry develops, if the play calling adapts, if the execution matches the potential, we could be looking at something truly special. Something that not only competes, but dominates. Because let's be honest, in today's NFL, offense wins games. Explosive plays win games. Versatility wins games. And the Raiders just checked all three boxes in one bold move. You can already picture it: packed stadium, primetime lights, the offense stepping onto the field with confidence, knowing they have the firepower to score from anywhere. 1 play, touchdown. 2 plays, red zone. 3 plays, momentum completely shifted. That's the kind of impact we're talking about. And it's not just about scoring points, it's about control. Controlling the tempo. Controlling the narrative. Controlling the outcome. When an offense becomes this dangerous, it forces opponents to play differently. They become more aggressive, more desperate. And that often leads to mistakes. Turnovers. Penalties. Missed opportunities. And great teams capitalize on those mistakes. So the question now isn't whether this was a big move, because it absolutely was. The question is how big of an impact it will have. Are we looking at a playoff contender? A division challenger? Or something even bigger? Because if this offense reaches its full potential, there is no limit to what this team can achieve. And that's what makes this moment so exciting. It's the unknown. The possibility. The feeling that something big is about to happen. The Raiders didn't just make a trade, they made a statement. And now the entire league is watching. So buckle up, Raiders fans, because this season just got a whole lot more interesting.